Hello everyone, good morning to each one of you out there and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the number system and excel in it. Remember to like, subscribe and share to my channel. So starting with the number system. First, the numbers in number system, the complex numbers are given. The complex numbers are divided into two formats: real numbers and imaginary numbers. Further down, the real numbers are divided into rational numbers and irrational numbers. So, in rational numbers, there are two types. First one is decimal form. In that decimal form, there are two types: terminating decimal forms, that is 5.412. That means the 2 is the ending of the given number, and the second type is non-terminating decimal form. In that 5.4121212 up to the infinity, these type of numbers are called as non-terminating decimal form, and we will write it down as the non-terminating number one time and bar over it. The next type of the rational number is p by q forms. In that, the integers. What are the integers? From negative infinity to positive infinity. I have written it -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. In that, negative integers from -infinity to -1. In whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, positive infinity. In that, 0 numbers is taken and the positive integers, or we can say it as natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, and the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Divisible by itself or 1, we call it as a prime number. And what are the composite number remaining the prime numbers and 1, we call it as a composite number. Next type is irrational number. In that also p by q form, but in this p by q form, the square root by 1, square root by 5 by 1, or 0.56 by 6, or -8.02 by 23, for which we need some calculation or calculator. The second type is non-terminating or non-repeating decimal forms, which we have discussed earlier, like that same here. So we can take an example of the value of pi, which is non-terminating. Moving forward, the representation of the numbers. N is for the set of all natural number. Z is the set of all integers. Q is the set of all rational numbers. R is the set of real numbers. Z plus is the set of positive integers. Q plus is the set of all positive rational numbers. Conversion of non-terminating recurring decimal into the rational numbers of the form p by q. If it is pure recurring, like for example 0.5555 up to infinity, so we will write it down as 0.5 bar. For converting it into p by q form, we will write down the pure non-terminating number as numerator and the number of bar over it is 1, so we will write down 9 at the denominator. Also one more example, 0.454545, so we will write it down as 0.45 bar. The 45 will be at the numerator, and how much bar it is having 2 numbers, so we will write down 99. Next, the mixed recurring. In the mixed recurring numbers, for example 1.343434 is given, so we write it down as 1.34 bar. For converting it into the p by q form, we will write down as 134 without any decimal point and -1, because the 1 it is not having any bar over it, so we will minus it from here, and the number of numbers which is having the bar over it 2, so we will write down as 99. One more example, 4.12 minus 41, 4 1 because 4 and 1 are not having bar over it, and number which is having a bar over it is only 1, so we'll write down as 9 here. And after the decimal point there is another number, so it is not having a bar over it, so we will write down 0 here. One more example, 0.16732063206 is given, so we'll write down entire number here minus the number which is not having bar over it, 167, we will minus it from that, and the number which is having bar over it, 1 2 3 4, so 4 times 9, and the remaining three numbers which is not having bar over it, 000. So it will give, after calculation, it will give us the P by Q form of non-terminating numbers. Moving forward, the divisions. The basic form of writing the divisions is divisor, dividend, and some question and the reminder here. So the formula for it, dividend is equal to divisor into question plus reminder. Remember this formula because we are going to use this formula for the next problems. Test of divisibility. How to identify the number is divisible by 2 or not? Simply unit digit, look for the unit digit which is having 0 2 4 6 8, it is divisible by 2. Same as for divisible by 3, sum of all the digits divisible by 3. If for example, if 314 which is divisible by 3 or not, so just simply add 3 plus 1 plus 4, what is it? 8. Divide by 3, is it divisible? No, so it is not divisible by 3. As simple as that. How to identify the number is divisible by 4 or not? The last two digits divisible by 4. Simply look for the last two digits of the given number and divide it by the 4. If it is divided by the 4, the entire number is divided by 4. The number which is divisible by 5 or not, the unit digit is 0 or 5, then it will divide by 5. Again, the divisible by 6, divisible by both 2 and 3. If the given number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the given number is divisible by 6. Later on, if the given number is divisible by 7 or not, the difference between the last 3 digits and the remaining part is divisible by 7. This means if the number is 1 3 4 5 6 7 is given, then the difference between the last 3 digits 5 6 7 minus the remaining part 1 3 4, if that answer is divisible by 7, then the entire number is divisible by 7. Further on, the given number is divisible by 8 or not, the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. As simple as that. The given number is divisible by 9 or not, the sum of the all digits are divisible by 9. The same rule we applied for the divisibility rule of 3. If the given number is divisible by 10 or not, the unit digit is simply 0, then the given number is divisible by 10. For the divisible by 11 or not, the difference between the sum of places from the right and the sum of even from the right are divisible by 11. As simple as that. So now continuing forward, the pure number. A number other than 1 is called a prime number if it is divisible by only 1 and itself, like 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. To check the given number is prime number or not, suppose is 171 is prime number or not, we don't know. So what is the square root of 171? We don't know the square root, but we know it lies between the square of 13 and 14, as the 13 square is 169 and 14 is 196. So it is given that 196 is greater than 171. The prime numbers below 14 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. So 171 is divisible by 3. So 171 is not a prime number. As simple as that. General or expandable form of 2 and 3 digit number. So we know that what is 12? It is 10 plus 2. That is AB. What is AB? 10A plus B. Because A is 10th digit and B is unit digit. So we'll expand it like this. Also ABC. What is it? 100A plus 10B plus 10C. 247. 100 into 2 plus 10 into 4 plus 7. Moving forward, the sum of numbers from with the given different digits. Find the sum of all 4 digit number formed with the digits 1, 2, 4 and 6. For that we can write it down as A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus dash 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 plus AN into n minus 1 factorial into 111 up to n times. So we'll write it down. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 4 plus 6 4, there are 4 digits, so we write down as 4 minus 1 factorial into the n times, that means 1111 4 times. So answer will be this. So moving forward, number of factors of composite number. To find the total number of the factors of 576, we can factorize it as 2 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 2. So the total number of factors will be 6 plus 1 and 2 plus 1. How much it is? 21. So 21 is the total number of factors of 576. So the unit digit of any power of a number. How to identify it? The unit digit of 2 raised to 8. If we try to calculate it by manually, or it will be hectic. So without any doing that hectic part, we can write it down as what is 2 1, that is 2. What is 2 square? 4. 2 cube 8. 2 raised to 4 6. These values are of unit digit number. So after that, after 6, the value repeat itself. 2 raised to 5, the unit digit will be 5. So we can identify that what is it? 2 raised to 4 raised to 8, that means 2 raised to 8. So we can write down as what is 2 raised to 4, unit digit is 6. 6 square 36, so unit digit will be 6.